Ferrari knows that weight is the enemy of speed. That's why they use exotic materials like carbon fiber and aluminum to keep their cars as light as possible. The chassis, the body panels, even the engine components are all designed to be as light as a feather without compromising strength. It's like building a race car out of origami, except it won't fall apart when you hit a bump. This obsession with weight saving is one of the reasons why Ferraris handle so well. They're nimble, agile, and responsive, like a well-trained ballerina on wheels. Let's be honest, Ferraris are poster cars for a reason. They're simply stunning to look at. From the classic lines of the 250 GTO to the aggressive stance of the 488 Pista, Ferrari knows how to design a head-turner. And don't even get me started on the paint options. You can have your Ferrari in any color you can imagine, from Rosso Corsa red to blue Elettrico blue. And if you've got the cash, Ferrari's tailor-made program will let you customize your car to your heart's content. Step inside a Ferrari, and you're greeted with a symphony of leather Alcantara and carbon fiber. The interiors are as luxurious as a 5-star hotel room, except with more horsepower. The seats are sculpted to hold you firmly in place, and the steering wheel is a work of art. You'll find all the latest technology from touchscreen infotainment systems to digital instrument clusters, but don't let the luxury fool you. This is still a driver's car. Everything is designed to be within easy reach, so you can focus on the road ahead. Don't let the classic Italian craftsmanship fool you. Ferraris are packed with more technology than a Bond car. We're talking advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and even night vision. And the infotainment systems are just as sophisticated with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even built-in navigation systems that are actually good. But let's be honest, you're not buying a Ferrari for the tech. You're buying it for the driving experience, and trust me, that's where Ferrari truly excels.